Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. If you're looking to delete an app from your iPhone along with all of its data, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to remove apps and their data entirely, as well as an alternative if you just need to free up space. Let's dive right in. First, start on your home screen. Find the app you want to delete, then press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. In that menu, tap Remove App. You'll then see the option to delete app. Tap that, and the app will be removed from your home screen. But this doesn't always delete all the app's data, so there's another step to make sure everything is gone. To delete both the app and all of its data, go into Settings, then tap General, and choose iPhone Storage. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Find the app you want to fully delete and tap on it. Then, tap Delete App again to completely remove both the app and all its associated data. You'll need to confirm this step, but once you do, the app and everything related to it will be erased. Now, if you don't want to lose the app's data but just need to free up some space, there's another option called Offloading. Offloading an app removes the app itself, but it keeps all its data and documents. It's a great way to clear up space without permanently deleting your app-related information. The app icon will stay on your home screen, but it'll have a little cloud icon, showing that it's been offloaded. When you reinstall the app, all your data will come back, as long as the app is still available in the App Store. So, offloading is really useful if you want to temporarily free up space without losing anything important, like user-generated content or app settings. Unlike deleting an app, offloading doesn't wipe out your data. It just puts the app itself on hold. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. See you later.